Welcome back to the shop. It's Monday, the 3rd of February, 2020.
Hi, everybody.
Where's the peach?
There ain't no peach.
Anyhow, guys, a lot to talk about this evening. First of all, notice we weren't on air last week. We didn't do a show. That's because Mama went out to California to visit friends, and by the time got her home and everything Monday night, and next day ran into the next day, and before you know it, it was too late to get a show done. And you can hear Tinkerbell down here
jingling her bells.
Ringing the bell. So we did miss last week, but we're back with you this week. And a special guest sitting in the shop with us tonight. That's right, Baby Heart is back with her new blanket. And we'll talk more about that blanket in just a little bit. Alrighty guys, let's move on. Just drinking water, trying to hydrate a little bit. It was a busy weekend.
It was hot today, too.
Yeah, and let's talk a little bit about this weekend. Loretta worked on some tabletops. Now you finished actually like 2 tabletops that are done.
Coffee tables,
yeah,
yep.
That you
one's Miss Martha's.
Yep. One's Miss Martha's.
And the other one's for sale.
The other's for sale. Both really, really good looking tables. As a matter of fact, when Michael come down from Atlanta this weekend, he saw that one tabletop and really, really liked it. That was
yeah.
He really, really liked that. Loretta also finished up on a baby blanket she was making for a friend at work,
yep.
right? And so she got that done. It's really pretty.
Her baby should be coming home this week, yeah.
Could have shown that. Red also did some jewelry pours, some resin
yes, I did.
Got those done.
Got those nice.
Yeah, so you're doing
for the next show.
Yeah, you're getting a lot of jewelry poured for us. Alrighty. Michael, then Daniel, Millhand Michael, and myself, we got on the sawmill this weekend and we went to town. We really, really worked it hard. Got 1,189 board feet cut for a friend of ours, and that's all pine. We really got down to about 199 board feet an hour that we were cutting, and our goal is to get to 240. We've seen some things that we were doing wrong that we're going to correct, and I think we could probably get to 240. We had a slow start on Saturday, had some problems getting started Saturday, but we really kicked it into high gear yesterday and really did a good job. But looking forward to doing some more cutting on the mill. I got the wood all set up for Kimmy's shed doors. Excuse me, you know we just built that shed for Kimmy. Still got to put the doors on it. By set up, I mean I went ahead and got all the wood sitting here in the shop acclimating so we can get to working on that. But yeah, some of the pine that we used on Kimmy's shed, kind of, this is it right here. This is some of the offcuts, but this is pretty much exactly what we cut this past weekend. Looking forward to doing some more
pretty wood.
Alrighty guys, let's move on. Still needs peach. Alrighty, upcoming for Two Dogs. We got to put the legs on the tables that Loretta built. Now, the legs should be here. I think they're sitting up here.
I think they're up there.
And make sure that we got them, but we got to get that.
If not, we can order them.
That's it. It's not a big deal. We've got to prep for shows, and we're going to talk a little bit more about that in just a second. But we got to get prepped up for the shows. We got to level the sawmill out, and notice it was off. It's a little unlevel, and it's giving us some hassles cutting this past weekend, right towards the very end. But we got to get that fixed up. We got to saw some more for our good friend Keith. We're going to get that cut up. I think we're going to try to maybe get about 1,200 board feet weekend for him until he taps out and says no more. And I think he was impressed.
I think he was very impressed.
That he got, and 2,
as quickly as it got done, and the quality. Because he dropped it off on Friday night, picked it up on Sunday afternoon, and he was like, and we couldn't have put any more on it because it was
begging for help.
Them tires were begging for help. It wasn't a big trailer.
So we're looking for that. We got to saw some lumber for upcoming sale at the end of March, and where our goal is to have 3,000 to 4,000 board feet for that. So we're really looking forward to that. Alrighty, then we've got to mill up the lumber for Kimmy's door. Now I don't mean cut it on the sawmill, I mean milling in a traditional sense where we cut it to size here in the shop. We got to plane it, we got to cut it all down to size, get it to length, and get it ready to go. And then I want to start working on her door to get her doors finished. Should not be a big deal. I usually knock those doors.
Yeah, they're not that hard to build anyways.
Pretty easy.
And you got the roof on, right?
Oh yeah, everything.
The metal's on too?
Everything's done. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know you'd put the metal on.
The shed it's a shed. All it needs is the doors on it now and the battens, but we're going to get that a little bit later. I'm going to probably tap out on the battens and let somebody else do the battens because that's too much for me. Alright guys, let's move on. Alrighty, shows and markets and shows. I told you we were bringing that segment back, and the reason we're bringing it back is because it's that time of year. Now we're already set up for the 11th of April 2020 Buckhead Days, old Buckhead Days up in Buckhead, Georgia. Not the Buckhead up on the other side of Atlanta, the one between us and Atlanta. Looking forward to that.
It's a cute little town.
Show.
Yeah.
Great show.
We had a lot of fun.
Yeah, great people. Even though it rained and we were inside 2 years ago last
Really
time we were
nice
there.
people.
Really, really great
Jay and
people.
Tangi went with us on that one.
They had a ball.
Yeah, they liked it too. If it hadn't been for the band being so loud and
Yeah.
enclosed in there, it would have been great.
Fire department
Yeah.
because it was raining. They didn't want our wood products to get wet. Then we got a farmer style market that we may be going to once or twice a month. It's held every weekend from March on up until like summertime.
May, I think.
Spring.
March, April, May, because it's the spring.
Yeah, and it's just all farmers market type stuff. But we're looking forward to that. As soon as we know more information about that, we'll let you know. I do want to point out the great job that Butterbean
Hold up
did
her little blankie. Show the little blankie that Butterbean made.
On Baby Heart's blanket.
Long ways, that because there's the H and there's Heart's blanket, so it's got hearts all over it, and then her initials D and L and the number 5 because she's 5 years old when she made it, and a little flower for her. So that's a really great job.
Yep, she did a super job.
Super job.
Another maker here in the family. So
yeah, we may get her turned on to making us all kinds of blankets.
And now next week, kind of skipping back and talk about upcoming, I have a special gift coming in the mail that I hope will be here. Tomorrow or the next
day. Yeah, at least by
That's
Wednesday.
Right. Milhan, Michael, and Michaela Bula bought me a special gift. But if you weren't here to see what that was, you're going to have to wait till we unbox it here.
Oh yeah, we'll do an unboxing. That would be awesome.
That's it. We're going to unbox that probably on next Monday night show, so maybe a little bit different show. But really looking forward to that. Thank you everybody who showed up for my birthday celebration yesterday. Still eating German chocolate cake. Thank you. Everybody.
Niners lost. It was a sad loss, but it was their fault. They didn't bring their A game.
They didn't bring their A game, and the Chiefs did.
And
Congratulations to the
Chiefs, awesome.
Well, I think that's about it for this evening. Do you have anything?
Just kids, keep a lookout, keep your eyes open, ears open. If you hear of a show that you think Daddy and I might be interested in, even if it's one you don't think we might be interested in, we'll give it a shot. You never know. We're going to still try to do at least one show a month. And get us back up to par, get the business running a little better, smooth. Okay. So if you hear of anything, give us a shout, put it on Facebook, something.
All right. Well, I really do think that is about all for this evening. As always, thank you for watching the video. And remember, we'd love to see you back in the shop.